really enjoyed our time being on the front row, being supported by the Nazih group, having beautiful models, getting to know all of the hairdressers here, and inspiring all.
Nazih, our partners here, are fantastic. They really take care of us. They've done this so many times that it rolls very easy, and it makes things very easy for us.
From this year, it's amazing. Here, it's so crowded. You can meet like people from everywhere in the world.
The exhibition is massive, it's huge, it's beautiful and amazing. To be on the front row stage with all the supporting team in the backstage, with the Nazih group as well, for me, is just a blessing.
We would like to thank all our customers, our visitors to Beauty World Middle East this year. I would like also to thank all our team for their support. Wish you all the best and see you next year for Beauty World 2023.